南およそ170キロに位置する岩手県の陸前高田市ではこんな映像が撮られていた。津波は住宅を壊しながら海岸からおよそ 1.7 キロも離れた避難所に襲いかかった。
Where there's been a second blast at the Fukushima nuclear plant. As of now, 11 people were injured in the explosion. The reactors are said to be intact at the moment, and officials claim that there has not been a change in the radiation level since the latest incident took place. Well, at least 22 people have already been exposed to radiation after an earlier explosion following Friday's devastating tremor and tsunami. Officials say the possibility of another blast is now unlikely. Well, people within a 20-kilometer radius of the reactor have been evacuated to safety. There had been warnings of a 3-meter-high tsunami moving towards the northeast coast of Japan caused by a strong aftershock. We're now getting reports that the alert has been lifted.
Not all earthquakes create tsunamis, but when they do, they can be devastating. Storm Team 5's Mike Wonkum shows us how the frightening waves are born.
Surrounding the Pacific Ocean is what we call the Ring of Fire. 75% of the world's volcanoes and 90% of the world's earthquakes take place in the zone. Now, when an earthquake occurs, the Earth's plates shift. This sends out a seismic wave. Now, the wave can travel at nearly 500 miles per hour. Over the open ocean, the wave would only be a few inches high. A ship at sea probably wouldn't even notice it. It would just pass right underneath of them. The seismic wave only becomes dangerous as it approaches the coastline. The ocean floor lifts the wave up. Now, it doesn't break on the beach like we think of. Instead, it becomes a mountain of water. As we saw in Japan, this mountain of water can move inland and completely destroy whole communities. To monitor these tsunamis, a series of buoys in the Pacific Ocean sends back information about what's taking place deep down in the ocean. It's the only way we can track earthquake-generated tsunamis.